Finish looks great. Looked it over. No cracks. So far, I don't see anything at all. Dings, scratches. Very good. This is another Grote. Same as the other guitar. Great. I'll be cleaning these pots a little bit. This one is fast. This one is stiff. These two are stiff. This one's the stiffest. So nonetheless, loosen them up with some cleaner. Before I get too far along, check the nuts on here. They're good. That one's good. That one's a little loose. No big deal. Very good. Just snug. Don't over tighten this at all. Very good. Got a screwdriver just to loosen the screw holding the truss rod cover on. I think I'll take that off. You want to be careful you don't throw this. You want to be careful you just grab this screw. Whoa! There we go. My metric, usually it's a number 4. Usually. Let's see if this is. It is a number 4. All right, maybe I went a little more than a quarter. Let's check it again. Okay, let me tune it. Now, times like this, I do use a tuner. So most of the time, I don't. I think I'll leave the truss rod cover off just in case I'm going to, continue to adjust this. Let's see how it feels. Hopefully we will not have the fret issues. Whoop. Okay, so far. Oh, thank goodness. So far, so good. Now, I'm not going to do every single fret on camera because, that's going to be just boring. But what I've seen in the first position, the second position, and up here at the 12th fret, so far, so good. Of course, the frets are a little rough. That's to be expected. With these types of guitars, if you get a higher end one, you should be okay. With the frets should be great. 0 fret sprout. Pickup height is okay. One thing I did notice on the other guitar, output of the neck pickup was very high. I didn't measure it, but you can tell from the sound. So I will plug this in and we will see just how this one sounds. One last thing, I will lubricate these off camera. I'm not going to get into the frets today, and I'm not going to get into the nut height. Okay, let's plug it in. Pardon me, just before I plug it in, let's check this. Sounds okay. Really, really good. So the intonation is good. No wonder this video is going to be so short. Not a whole lot to do on this guitar. So very happy with this. Thank you very much, Grote. Thank you. Did a good job with this one. Wow. Don't hit the pickups with your pick. Woo! Wow. Okay, so there were your neck pickup. Both pickups. Bridge pickup. Now, I'm not real super certain, but these feel like 10s on here. And this is really practically right out of the box. All right, let's get on with the stuff that everybody's waiting for. Yes, these are 10s. All right, so there's a little more meat on the bone here with the 10s on. Let's get to the middle pickup here. Okay, let's get over to the bridge pickup. there's 10s on here. I'm going to leave them on here. I usually play with 9s. No worries. Sometimes playing a guitar that kind of fights you a little bit gives you a little more, a little more thrust in what you're doing. And sometimes you can play the strings harder without fear that they're going to be fretting out and stuff. So, but that's okay. As you know from my other videos, I prefer 9s, but that's just another personal preference. But I'm going to keep these 10s on here. Outside of that, this is practically played right out of the box. As you know, I didn't really do anything to this. I'm just going to play this guitar and enjoy it. So I hope this all helps you out. You'll find that, last thing I'll say is, you'll find there's inconsistencies in guitars. And it's not just, it's not just from one manufacturer to another. There's inconsistencies in high-end guitars. There's inconsistencies with low-end guitars. It just depends. I guess just depends on who put it together. How many, the team that put it together. So anyway, hope this helps you out. Keep on playing. And I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. See you later. Bye.